Are you serious?
It's broken.
Oh my god. Damn it. Okay, okay.
My fingers.
Fuck. Are you serious?
It's broken.
Oh my god. Okay. I will ride my bike back, I guess. Or...
Hurry up, go get my dad.
Alright, just sit down or something.
Oh, okay. Hurry up.
Danny, we need help. She broke her arm. Right up here. I'll see you back at the truck.
It feels like dislocated. It might be dislocated, but it's like I just can't move it. I can move my fingers. I'm fine.
What's your elbow?
It's my elbow. It might be dislocated or broken. I don't know.
She went off that way.
You were stalled, and I had nowhere to go.
Yeah, she went off that way.
I don't know if it's broken or dislocated.
Okay.
That hurts.
Yeah. Let's get her. Let's
I'm fine.
come on, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we're okay.
You need me to move? You need to go this way or can you back up? Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright, I'll see you back at the truck.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go back to the truck.
Yeah. You're good on this one. Yeah, that's fine.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're on our way to the ER. I'm pretty sure I either broke or dislocated my elbow. I can't move my arm. I'm in a shit ton of pain. walked down a hill and I had unfortunately my dad was stalled at the bottom of the hill and I was turning the corner. I didn't see him, so I stopped at like the middle of the hill, and where I stopped, oh fuck, where I stopped, there was a big ravine to the right, and I fell into it, and I tried to brace myself with my arm, and I think I dislocated my elbow. We're on our way. We're gonna find out what happens. I'm in South Texas ER. They put me in this thing and it hurts. We're about to get an x-ray, find out if it's dislocated or if it's broken. I'm in so much pain right now. They're not allowing Gio or anybody in here because of COVID, so they're having to wait outside in the car. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but hopefully it's not broken. I'm hoping it's just dislocated and they can pop it back in. This is what it looks like. You can't really tell. I really can't move my arm at all. I'm in the room here. Thankfully they did not cut off my jersey, so saved that, but yeah, it's getting swollen. My fingers are starting to get purple. Alright guys, so I'm here. Thankfully it was only a dislocation. This is the x-ray. They said it was severely dislocated and everyone here is like eager to see them pop it back in. I do have an IV in right now. They're gonna give me some meds and I'm gonna do a conscious sedation and then they're gonna pop my elbow back in. Yeah, it's still in a lot of pain. I'm still in a shit ton of pain. I'm okay right now because it's like not moving, but anytime, any little movement, oh my god, it hurts so bad. But I'm so happy that it was just dislocated and it wasn't a break. They said I'll be good in about 2 to 3 days, which is amazing. So yeah, let's see how I come out of this. So we just got done. They doped me up like to the max with, I forgot what drugs. They gave me like a lot. They were like, oh my god, this girl's tough, or like, you're tough, girl. Like, I don't know. I just remember them saying that. It's still fuzzy. I was awake during the whole time. My arm is in a splint right now. Thankfully, they popped it back in. That was the worst pain ever. It was pretty bad, but it feels a lot better now. And they said I'll be good in about 2 or 3 days. So I'm pretty happy with that. I am going to schedule a follow-up with an orthopedic guy, just so he can look at the ligaments around the elbow and make sure everything is okay. But I can wiggle my fingers and I have feelings, so I think it'll be fine. But yeah, this was very interesting, and it was such a stupid crash. Like, I'll explain to y'all the crash on my next video, but it was just so dumb, like, awful. Alright guys, so I'm back at home in our garage with a splint and a sling. Luckily, like I mentioned before, this was just an elbow dislocation, a severe one, but nothing was broken, thank God. Basically what happened is we were on the trail at Mars. I was coming around at the top of a hill, and I didn't know this, but my dad was trying to go down the same hill what is it? Start his bike without kickstarting it. So
roll start.
Roll start. He was trying to roll start it down that hill, but unfortunately he wasn't able to. He got stuck at the bottom. I didn't see him, so I was going around the top. I saw him at the bottom as I was already going down. So I'm not really good with maneuvering the bike quickly. So I chose, my decision was to just kind of stop, which I did. I slowed down. I used my brake, but I was still at like the middle part of the downhill, and on the right side where I fell, it dipped down into like a ravine, and there was nowhere for me to put my foot on that way, and that's the way I was leaning. So like I tried to go over, so I toppled over, and it was deeper than I thought, because I thought I'd be able to touch the ground. So then I just kept falling, and I can't extend this arm, but basically what I did was I extended over and I felt the exact moment where the bone just like dislocated, and I fell into the weeds, and I feel like they all covered me, and I was screaming, and it did hurt a lot for sure, but it was more so like I was hoping that either Gio or my dad could hear me, because my bike was still on, I think. Their bikes were on, so it's real loud, and I also fell all the way in, and I didn't know if they would even see me. So I was like screaming so that way they can come and get me. But I was able to get up, I think, on my own, but I just knew right away that it was either broken or dislocated. And I was like, damn, like I didn't cry or anything like that. It was just more so like a weird pain feeling, like it was just like dislocated. I don't know if you've ever had a dislocated elbow. I feel like y'all are the only people that know what it feels like, because you just know right away. That's what it felt like. So when I got up, I could not move it from this position. Like it was just so that anytime I tried to move, it was painful in a weird way. Like even like a tiny centimeter, or like going over the bumps back, hurt. So luckily the way we got out of there is my dad actually was long gone, right? So Gio was there. He was like, we didn't really know what to do because my bike was down. There was no way that I could ride it, right? My dad was gone because he just kept going. He didn't see me fall, so he was gone. So I was like, Gio, you need to find someone, go get my dad or someone, because I can't ride. So luckily Gio went back, he got my dad, he got the owner of Mars, which was awesome, and he has his UTV out there, and they, him and his partner, they got over here to me. I jumped in the passenger seat, and they, his other partner rode my bike back to our truck, and yeah, I mean, that was pretty much it. And it's such a bummer, because that was literally the first trail we were riding of today. And maybe like we had 20 minutes of ride time before this happened. And the funny thing is that Gio wiped out twice before that, and then I stalled another time before that. So it kind of was already starting off to a rocky day. And then this happened, which again, it's like such a lame crash. I wish I could be like, yeah, I dislocated my shoulder coming off a triple or whatever. It was definitely not that. It was like already stopped and I just fell wrong. So, and I had all my protective gear on too. So I had my helmet, my whole body armor, my knee pads, everything like that was on, and I still was able to get hurt this way, which just kind of goes to show you, like sometimes you just fall wrong, you know what I mean? It's just like a weird way, and it's the perfect recipe for disaster. But again, I'm so happy that I did not break anything. So the doctor said I'll probably be good in about 2 or 3 days. So definitely looking up. I can't wait to get back on the motorcycle. I know people are gonna ask me like, are you gonna ride again? Hell yeah, I'm gonna ride again. And next time I ride, if I ever fall over, I'm not gonna put my arm out like a dummy. I'm gonna try to tuck and roll. So yeah, thanks guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We didn't get much content today because of the crash. It was literally at the start of the day. But in exciting news though, we do have new graphics coming in for both of our bikes. So we'll probably be working on getting our bikes, you know, nice and pretty, and then following up with some more riding in a few weeks. Thanks.